How to retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. To retrieve your purchase history on Temu app, you can tap open your Temu app or just open it from our website. The process is similar. Make sure to log in to your Temu account first and foremost. Once you are successfully logged into your Temu account, to retrieve your purchase history, you can just tap on the search bar which is at the very top. In the search bar, you may see your history of your purchase on Temu app. If not, just search for it in your search bar. Make sure to use a correct keyword so that it can show you an appropriate selections. For alternative way, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon which is at the very top. Select the option of your orders. In here, you will see all of your orders and even the orders that are processing, shipped, delivered, and returned. You can tap on each of these tabs to check out or retrieve your purchase history. You can also check out a browsing history of Temu if you want to retrieve your purchase history. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of Temu. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.